Meaning of flavor.
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 Flavor. Flavor refers to the taste, smell, and overall sensation that a food or drink produces when consumed. It is a combination of various sensory perceptions, including sweetness, bitterness, sourness, saltiness, and umami. Flavor also encompasses the aroma and texture of food, as well as temperature and spiciness. The balance and complexity of flavors determine the appeal of a dish, and skilled chefs can manipulate flavors to create unique and memorable culinary experiences. Ultimately, flavor is a crucial aspect of our enjoyment and appreciation of food, enhancing our dining experiences and shaping our preferences.